to my channel, Stylish Hidden Treasures. My name is Mary and I'm a full-time reseller on both eBay and Poshmark. Today I'm bringing you the second thredup scrap fabric box of the purchase that I made of 2 boxes. So if you have not checked out the last video, definitely check it out. All of the pieces in that box were wearable dresses and skirts and scarves. One of the dresses that I had mentioned I just knew had some value does. I will put it up in the corner. Apparently it is a dress that is sold at Revolve and it's around the $45 to $50 range used. So that is an awesome thing. So anytime you can make profit in these boxes, it is a win-win. If you haven't checked out the last video, I had also mentioned that the 2 previous boxes that I got also had amazing brands in them. One of the boxes had a Johnny Was maxi dress. It was extra large, mint condition, nothing was wrong. That particular dress sold for $145 in like 4 days. And then the second thredup scrap box had a brand, I can't think of her name, Amanda Stevens or something like that. And that was a 100% silk dress, and that sold in 2 days for 60 something dollars, close to 70. So these boxes can be profitable, and then you may get a box and it's nothing but literally scrap fabric. So we will go ahead and get this opened. This particular box, just like the other one, came from Phoenix, Arizona. These boxes cost $25, and then shipping is like $10.99, I believe. So I think shipping costs went up. So you're all in at, you know, a little bit under 40 bucks, which is not bad when it comes to the initial investment. This particular box is supposed to be 10 pounds of scrap material that you can use for upcycling and crafts and things like that. As I mentioned in the last video, I do make things. Most of the time pillows and jewelry and things like that, and the pillows I then put on eBay and Poshmark and they sell. So if there is some scrap fabric, I'm okay with that. I just hope the whole box is nothing but scrap fabric, because I'm very particular about my fabric. So let's see. Here is the first glance, and it looks promising. It doesn't look like a bunch of scrap fabric, so let's hope. So we will count the items at the end to see how much they actually put in our box. But sometimes if you get some heavier pieces, you're going to get less items, of course. So let's see what they brought us. So the very first thing is a maxi dress. Oh, so this is a Lane Bryant, size 26, brand new with tags, originally $89.95. And this is going to definitely sell. So as you can see, it's kind of a color block design, which is actually really pretty. If this was smaller, like a 2X, I would totally rock this and wear it and be happy. But it's a little too big for me. But this will be so perfect for the plus size shows that I do on Poshmark on Fridays. Those are the most profitable shows that I do. So this I need to hurry up and get photographed so I can get this going. Actually, I don't know. This is brand new with tags. I may not want to put this in an auction because I think I want it full price on this one. So here we go. Here's the back. It has a zip. The fabric is kind of like a textured almost, and then it has like a little elastic cuff. This, in my opinion, is a very pretty dress. This will definitely sell. So this alone will by far make my my box back as far as what I paid. So very happy about that piece. Next is a skirt from well, it says Target. Somebody cut out this, but that's okay because the inside tag says Target, so we know it's from Target. But I actually like this. This is kind of like crushed velvet velour type. It is pink, it is pleated, it is pull on. I don't know what the size is, which is not the end of the world. I can simply take measurements, and I'm pretty sure whatever was here is where the size tag was. But this is actually quite pretty, and I will definitely sell this. So far so good. So far so good. So next we kind of have like an animal print. I don't know what this. This is a skirt. At first, I don't know why I thought I saw a Free People tag, but I don't. This is not even their type of vibe. So there's no tag on this one as well. This definitely looks high rise, probably extra small, but the style will sell this skirt. So it's kind of like an embossed, I don't know, is that cheetah? Is that leopard? Or is it just like an animal print? But it's like a satiny type of material. It zips in the back. I don't see any, well, I see a little bit of something wrong with it, but it's not a big deal. It could be just some loose stitches right there. That can easily be sewed up in a few moments. That's not a big deal. Kind of like an A-line. Guys, this will sell. So I will totally put that in my stores as well. So next is an interesting piece. I don't know if it's a muumuu or, oh, it's vintage. Ooh, is it? I don't know. I don't know what's going on here. I think it's vintage. Because this looks like, for those of us that sell vintage, we pretty much know our eras, eras of clothing. But they cut out the tag, but this definitely looks like a union tag. So this is old, but this is cool. Like, I don't know how to advertise this though, because is there, oh yep, I was right. Here's the union tag right here. There is not a size, sometimes there is. So yeah, this is old, this is definitely vintage, but it's kind of like a maxi dress, kind of, but then it's open here. So how would I advertise this? As a maxi? I'm not sure. Because the slit's throwing me off. Unless this was taken off. No, it wasn't taken. It wasn't split in the middle. This is the way it's supposed to be. So maybe at some point there was like some hot pants or something that was worn under here, or maybe a little skirt. However, whatever this is, will definitely sell. It has beautiful embroidered detailing here. It is stretchy. You kind of have some long sleeves here. I can see how somebody wouldn't want to mess with this, but I will totally mess with this. I have a large vintage section in my eBay store, and I sprinkle some in my Poshmark as well. I love vintage. This will sell, guys. It will sell. So far so good. So next is, oh, awesome, another plus size. So this is Loft Plus size 20, and it is a crop, kind of like a wear to work type of pants, like a little dress pants, but I guess you could wear these casual as well. They are pull on, and here is the back. Another great piece to put in my plus size show, so I am happy with that. So next is, looks like a maxi dress. Okay, so it's a new approach, which is that sold at JCPenney's or Macy's? I'm not sure, but it is a striped midi, not a maxi. Let's see, this is the tag, so it's supposed to be like this. Has beautiful spring colors. Like once this is ironed out, this will look really cute. So this is the front, I believe. Well, then why would the pockets be on the back? So that's kind of weird, because here's the tag on the back. I don't know, I'll figure it out. So on the back is button down. Oh, okay, so it's adjustable, so you can pull over the button. I thought it was a flaw there, but it isn't. So here's the back. It buttons down, and then it does have pockets, and this is a medium. Doesn't look like anything's wrong with it. So awesome. We will sell that too. So next is, looks like a long maxi again. This brand is called Ulla Johnson. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of that. Looks like there was something adhesive on this, so I don't know what that is. But it is a floral, kind of a puff sleeve maxi dress. It is floral, and then it has kind of like a tiered design. It doesn't have a size. It looks like a small, maybe. Let's see if there's a fabric tag. I don't think so. I'll have to look a little bit closer, but I mean, it's a cute dress. It's a cute dress. It will sell. Definitely kind of has a little bit of a cottagecore type of vibe to it. So yeah, why not? And it looks like, okay, there's a drawstring here, and then it's smocked just a little bit at the waist. It's a cute dress, so I am not mad about that one either. So next is what looks like a skirt, and this is KSL, which is a division of Karen Stevens. This definitely looks like a vintage tag, and this is a 16W, and it's just a floral dress. So I would probably advertise this obviously as vintage, and then maybe even a little bit of a retro keyword in there. So here's a pull-on design, and then it has a little bit of like a pleated, just a slight pleat at the hem. So yeah, why not? So everything so far in this box is wearable pieces, which is awesome. So next is, oh, okay, universal thread, which is sold at Target. This is a size large, and it is a blue, kind of a textured, like a sheath dress, and it has a little bit of a ruffled sleeve, and there's little belt loops there if you want to add a belt. Yeah, I like it, and it's a pretty blue color. So another item that will definitely sell. Not for a lot, but it will sell. So next is, oh great, another plus size. Crofton Barrel. This is a 3X intimate. So this is like a little, almost like a waffle knit 3/4 robe. It is pink. It is zipped down the front. I that's a fuzzy. I was thinking, I think there's a spot, but there isn't. Guys, this will sell regardless if I put it in a show or not. It is plus size, and it's a nice color. So this is good as well. Now, here's the last piece. And I'm not sure what this is. It looks like a, nope, I got actually another piece under there. I don't know what this is. It's like, this is a lot going on here. Oh, okay. So this is like a very fuzzy vest. I mean, it's soft, but it's just a little scary looking. I don't know. What do you guys think? Is this a little scary? So this is from, and I've sold a similar type of long vest from this brand before. It took forever to sell. This is Akira. This is a gray. It doesn't have a size, but I'm pretty sure this is a larger size. But yeah, why not? So I will totally put this in my store. Now I'm going to wait till fall and winter, but it may actually sell. It looks like it's a larger size too, which will help. Yeah, I'm gonna figure it out. So I'm gonna try to sell that. And then here's the last piece. I don't know if this is a, oh, this is a topper. Another thing I mentioned in my haul video, these things sell so fast for me. Almost all of them are a one size fits all. So that is awesome when it comes to having a wide range of potential buyers. And this is awesome because it's tie-dye. You can't go wrong. So here it is on the back. And then here it is on the front. This is too something I would have picked up at the bins. There is no name. There is no size, but it is clearly a one size fits all. And it will definitely sell. Matter of fact, I probably will keep this and a couple other pieces aside and probably list these pretty soon because people are looking for this type of stuff. So how many pieces did we get? So we got 1, we got 2, we got, well, let's get this thing. We got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, we got 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we got 12 pieces for 25 bucks. And one of those pieces is brand new with tags. It will completely sell for at least $25, probably a little bit more. So we will definitely make our money back. We will not lose any money in this box. Now, like I said on the last video, my expectation was not to get another Johnny Was or Madewell or 100% silk dress, but I am still happy with what I got, you know, and I'm going to be completely realistic because the idea of getting those jackpot type of boxes is not always going to happen, but once you do, it kind of restores your faith in buying them. So I'm glad I got a couple more. Maybe after a couple of these things sell, I will get a couple more boxes and show you guys those videos as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think was your favorite piece of this box. Which one do you think is going to be the most profitable? I personally think this brand new with tags Lane Bryant dress will definitely be the most profitable, but I could be wrong. Something else may do better. You know, you never know. So thank you guys again for watching. Please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel, as I have a lot of unboxings and mystery hauls and fun things like that to share with you guys. And I will see you in the next video.